Hello everyone, I hope this video finds everybody doing great and that you are having a wonderful afternoon. Pageant Wave. So I have another tutorial once again, and this one is a couple of items from the Dollar Tree. So well, most of the items is from the Dollar Tree, and it is a decorative sunburst mirror. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this pizza pan that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum 2X metallic bright silver. And this paint is okay, it's really good coverage, but it scratches very easy. But we're going to use it anyway. And then I also have a mirror. I got this mirror from Joann's, and it's a 12-inch mirror, and it fits exactly inside of this pizza pan. I mean, exactly. You can use a smaller mirror if you want, but this mirror fits perfectly inside of this pizza pan. And it's a 12-inch mirror from Joann's, and I used a 40% off coupon, or you can use a 50% off coupon. I think the mirror is $6.50, and you can get it for $3.50, which is excellent. Now I'm not going to use the E6000 to adhere the mirror to the pizza pan, because I want to use this mirror for something else. I'm just going to kind of tack it down in here, and then what I'm going to do is lay this out on my table, and I'm going to start using some of these silver picks that I got from the Dollar Tree. And you're probably going to need about, I'd say maybe 7 or 8 bags of these. I believe they are 36. You get 36 in a bag. And so I'm pretty much going to lay this out on the very edge of the pizza pan. So I'm going to lay it out on the rim, and just kind of get all of the silver picks all the way around the pizza pan and attach them to the very edges. And I will change my camera position, but I just want to kind of lay it out first before I start to hot glue it. So I'm going to be using my Gorilla Glue and my glue gun, just because I want it to bond right away. I really need a suggestion for some industrial strength glue sticks. So if anyone has any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section so that I can get some really good serious glue sticks that are very good. The Gorilla Glue is good, but I know there's got to be something better. So anyway, let me go ahead and lay this out, and then I'm going to start gluing it down. And there really won't be too much speaking. I'm just going to go ahead and just lay it out, and everybody will be able to figure it out. Okay. Okay everybody, so I am done putting the picks on here, the silver picks, and it looks amazing. The only thing is that I used the hot glue only to go ahead and position all of these picks on here. That's the only reason why I use the hot glue, but it's not going to stay. Okay, these things are going to pop off because the hot glue is not strong enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to further embellish it with some of this black diamond wrap that I got from Dollar General, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces because this is a circular piece. So I'm going to have to cut it into small pieces and put it around the base right here of where I'm joining the picks to the pizza pan. So I'm going to have to just kind of glue it with some E6000. This project will need E6000 all the way around in order for it to stay. So I'm going to put a generous amount of E6000 around here, and then I'm going to cover up the glue again with this black diamond wrap, and I'm going to go around and glue the black diamond wrap all the way around just to kind of secure this whole thing. So I'm going to put this back down, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my E6000. Here's my E6000, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a generous amount all the way around the rim because it's not going to stay with just the hot glue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright everyone, so now what I'm going to do, now that I have applied the E6000 plus the black gemstones, I'm just going to go ahead and wait 24 hours and let this whole thing set. And putting the E6000 around here with the gemstones, I think will really secure this thing, and you won't have any pieces falling off. But you have to give E6000 at least 24 hours, as everyone well knows. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit. It's very pretty, and we'll be back tomorrow. Okay, bye. Hello everyone. So we are back 2 months later. 2 months later, believe it or not, we are back. And I put this stuff on hold because the holidays came around. So what I decided to do was switch things up a little bit, and I got some of these mini silver spoons from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start cutting these spoons, and I'm going to circle the spoons all the way around the mirror. So I've already started cutting some of them, and this is what they look like. I've just cut them away from the just cut the handle off, and then I'm embellishing this small little piece on the bottom right here where I cut the spoon off. I put some little black rhinestones. These are self-adhesive gems, black gems. They're very pretty, and I think I got these from Walmart because it's been 2 months, so I don't remember, but I think I got these from Walmart for like either 99 cents or $2. And what I did is I decided to just go ahead and take the little gemstone and put it at the very edge of the spoon. So what I'm going to do is start lining these up onto the mirror and gluing them down with some E6000, and there won't be any audio for that. I will just start just adhering them with E6000. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to use my glue gun and my Gorilla Glue sticks. And as you can see, I started putting some down already, and I'm going to just continue. Alright, so we are just about done with this project. I have put all of the spoons on here. As you can see, all of the spoons are now attached. And again, I did that with some the hot glue, the Gorilla hot glue, as well as my E6000. So I've got all the spoons on here. And the only thing I'm doing now is just filling in this like little rough edge right here. Where the 14-inch mirror meets the pie pan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these this adhesive wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree like last summer. And this is just the same thing. It's the diamond wrap, but it just has adhesive on it. So I'm going to cut like one strip of this. And as you can see, I've started already. Let me try to move my camera. I've started putting it down already right here in the corner, and you can see I didn't do this section yet. And so basically all I'm doing is taking my scissors and I'm just cutting off one strip and then just placing it inside of the area that looks really raw. You can see that. And I'm just, placing it right in here, and you can see that right there is where I'm going to place it. So I'm going to just kind of sit my camera back in a standing position and go up a little bit closer so that you can actually see me putting the diamond wrap down in the center there. I'm just going to cut a strip. So I basically just cut like one strip, and I just cut it into a couple of sections and put it on here. I'm going to cut it into a few sections, and then you'll see me do the placement. So I have finished putting the adhesive diamond wrap around the edge. Let me bring the camera in a little bit closer so you can see where I've added that. And it's kind of sort of sitting on the glass. Okay, so you can see here where I've added the adhesive diamond wrap. And I've used that all the way around, just again to cover the gap that was in between the mirror and the pizza pan. So there was a little bit of a gap, and I covered that in. So we are about done. The only thing left to do is to go ahead and put the attachment on the back so that you can hang it up on the wall. But before we do that, I'm just going to spray a little glass cleaner and get all these fingerprints off of here. We're going to clean our mirror up, and then I'm going to turn it around and show you how to place the hook so that you can hang it up on the wall. And basically all I did was I took my E6000 and I applied it right here, and I sat something on top of it and I waited about 48 hours so it could really adhere to the pizza pan. Now you can use the E6000 or you can use an epoxy, some type of metal to metal epoxy, so either one will work. But I felt like, why go out and buy something when I already had the E6000? So I applied it there, and it's really strong. And so here we go. I'm just gonna pull this up. So I pulled it up, and you can see it's strong. It's not going anywhere. I mean, it's attached. So I'm going to go ahead and hang this up on the wall so you can see the final results. Okay? And I think you'll be really happy with it. Alright, so here we are, everybody. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm super happy with it. Whole bunch of bling. So I think it looks amazing. I just went ahead and hung it in an area where I already had a nail in the wall, because I want to hang this up in my dining area. So it was just too dark in my dining area for me to hang this up for you guys to really see it. So I just basically just hung it up in my office. So this is it. It's nighttime. I don't have any daylight going on for you to really see the brilliance of it all, but it's really pretty. I think it came out awesome. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, don't forget to rate and subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe so we can grow this channel together and I can continue to do DIYs. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload new videos. So this is it, guys, and I will see you in the next DIY video. All right, bye bye.